Welcome to DJ's Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Jaguar. It's the 2-litre diesel, absolutely lovely condition. It's got the front park distance control, finished in lovely forensic red, upgraded alloy wheels. Bodywork condition is absolutely superb. It's got rear park distance control, twin exhausts. So that's absolutely gleaming. Lovely condition. Boot area is the same, lovely condition. It's got the lovely full leather interior in black. Electric windows, electric mirrors, Meridian sound system. There's no wear on the seat bolster or anything, as you can see. Got a paddle shift on the gearbox. It's done 87,761 miles. Cruise control, multifunction steering wheel. Just start the car up. So we've got reverse camera, Bluetooth connectivity, satellite navigation, 3-stage heated seats, the Parktronic there, air conditioning, different driving modes and styles. Lovely little glove box, the aux, USB. You can see it's in lovely condition. Full media pack on there as well. What to say? At DJH, full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.